Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install the STV player on your Android TV without using Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Now on your Android TV, go to your download application app, and if you don't have one, check the description of this video. There is a link which will help you to download the application app on your Android TV. Here is mine. After downloading it, launch it and type this code 2012 442 and click on Go. It will redirect you to this web page which will automatically download the application on your Android TV. As you can see, here is it downloading. Please, if you like this video, like, subscribe and share. After downloading, click on install and that's all.